Welcome to the mock test video of RTA Dubai Test. This video will help you prepare for the real test that you need to pass to get your driving license in Dubai. The RTA Dubai test consists of two parts, a theory test and a practical test. In the first part, the questions are multiple choice and cover topics such as general road rules and regulation, traffic signs and signals, lane discipline and overtaking, speed limits and fines, parking rules and violations, vehicle maintenance and registration, environmental awareness and fuel efficiency, emergency procedures, and first aid. The mock test video contains 78 questions and 4 options each with their answers too. The questions are similar to the actual RTA Dubai theory test and are based on information from the RTA driver's handbook. You should also practice as many questions as possible and review your mistakes. Let's start. Taxi drivers should do their best to make every journey a dash experience for passengers. Horrible, pleasant, difficult, annoying. The correct answer is pleasant. It's dash to drive a car when it rains heavily. Very safe, dangerous, not allowed, none of the above. The correct answer is dangerous. You can visit the dash if you are interested in the history of this country. Zoo, park, desert, museum. The correct answer is museum. The passenger got the taxi on a dash day. Funny, rainy, sad, none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. Wearing dash gives the driver a good appearance. Watch, D, clean and tidy clothes. Earphones. Correct answer is clean and tidy clothes. It is important to dash carefully to the passenger's question, listen, question, teach, talk. The correct answer is listen. At the old souk, drivers should park in the dash, drop-off area, car park, side of road, beach. The correct answer is car park. When the driver tells the customer, I can't allow you to drive my car. What does he mean? Drive my car. I cannot let you drive my car. Give me money. Keep the change. The correct answer is I cannot let you drive my car. Cleaning your dash prevents you from sweating and smelling. Sand, table, office, body. The correct answer is body. When we get dash, we may get a dash. Tired, train, tired, bus, wet, fire, wet, cold. The correct answer is tired, train. The tourist wants to visit a place with animals. What does the tourist want to visit? Mall, shopping center, zoo, hotel. The correct answer is zoo. Tollway would cost an dash charge. No, free, extra, discount. The correct answer is extra. The passenger wanted to go to the grocery shop. Where would you take him? A shop selling mobile phones. A shop selling houses. A shop selling cars. A shop selling foods and drinks. The correct answer is a shop selling foods and drinks. The dash in the car makes the passenger very comfortable during the summers. Wheels, seats, air conditioning, music. The correct option is air conditioning. When stopping, taxi drivers should always try to get off the dash. Speed, way, traffic, none of the above. The correct answer is traffic. Cutting down on fats and dash are important. Fruits, sugars, vegetables, none. The correct answer is sugars. The taxi driver should always say to the customer once he drops him at the airport, have a dash trip, dangerous trip, bad, safe, sad. The correct answer is safe. People go to the old souk to dash, take photos, buy clothes, enjoy time, all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Spraying dash prevents the driver from smelling bad. Perfume, soap, jewelry, t-shirt. The correct answer is perfume. What do you understand by downtown? Central business area, railway station name, airport. I don't know. The correct answer is central business area. Tourists and locals go to the old souk to do swimming, running, shopping, watch a movie. The correct answer is shopping. When taking the tollway, to here is an dash, fit, extra charge, free. I don't know. The correct answer is extra charge. Dash is bad for your health. Talking, smoking, training, class. The correct option is smoking. It is a must for taxi drivers and passengers to wear a dash at all times. Sunglasses, hat, coat, seatbelt. The correct answer is seatbelt. Dash in the summer makes the car very comfortable. Passenger, air conditioning, rain, traffic. The correct answer is air conditioning. Taxi drivers have to be dashed properly, run, trained, charged. I don't know. The correct answer is trained. The passenger did not have cash with her. She wanted to pay by gold, credit card, silver, paper. The correct answer is credit card. The people called and dashed to take the injured person to the hospital. Ambulance, helicopter, plane, no one. The correct answer is ambulance. Drivers should do some pre-drive checks for their car and make sure the dash is clean. Interior, air, door, none. The correct answer is interior. A passenger asked you to direct them to the nearest Etisalat. Where are you directing the passenger to? Bakery shop, Etisalat store, Starbucks, hotel. The correct answer is Etisalat store. Taxi drivers should comply with exercise, diet, very strict behavior and morals, walking. The correct answer is very strict behavior and morals. Taxi drivers should check their dash, brake oil, food, mobile phone, sky. The correct answer is brake oil. Taxi drivers should always keep a safety distance from the sky, from the police, from the vehicle in front of them, army. The correct answer is from the vehicle in front of them. It is difficult to work without air conditioning when it's dash, traffic, humid, rain. I don't know. The correct answer is humid. What type of services does the customer give a tip for? Bad services, good services, no services, unhappy services. The correct answer is good services.
Consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.